How to create custom shapes in Canva. Everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Canva and then after you set up Canva, simply go to create a design. Open a blank page. Simply select a blank page and then you can use any of these like this. So now that you have a blank space, simply go to elements and then go to shapes. Here you will see all your elements. So you can draw your shapes from here. You can see there are several options. And then after drawing, you will be able to customize it the way you want. You can make it like this, make the corner round, also change its colors, or if you want another shape, simply search for it. Like if you want a star, search for a star and then you will get a star shaped outline like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.